Hey, what's up everybody? Shelby here from Superior Credit Experts, and I just wanted to send out some encouraging words to you guys to let you guys know to never really lose faith when it comes down to doing your credit repair, okay? I know I've gotten a lot of calls from you guys and a lot of emails and messages from you guys who have done credit repair with other different credit repair agencies, whether it's nationwide or just locally, and you spent thousands of dollars, hundreds of dollars trying to repair your credit or trying to put that responsibility, give that responsibility to someone else to definitely, take care of you and make sure you're good. But I just don't want you guys to lose faith or to lose hope. I always encourage you guys to learn how to do credit yourself, or at least watch a lot of my YouTube videos or others, my colleagues on YouTube, on how to repair your credit, or in general what credit is, so that way you'll have some type of financial education that'll help you through these credit repair processes. So even if you have life going on, you have work, you got kids, you have things that you need to do that you don't really have the time to sit down and write these credit repair letters, and also do the back end work as well, which is like, for example, opting yourself out of the secondary credit bureaus, right? There's so many different processes that go in within the entire credit disputes. It's not just sending out letters, it's also doing online disputes, calling, and actually getting down to the nitty-gritty. So actually being consistent with bugging the credit bureaus and also the secondary bureaus and any other collectors that are trying to collect on the debt that's reporting on your credit report, okay? Credit repair can take time. I always tell my clients it can take up to 6 months with working with me. And I just give you guys that time, or I always say that time frame, because it's always a rinse and repeat. And then credit is also always changing too, especially the algorithm. So maybe one system that we might have used, like for example, Credit Karma, right? How you can dispute your TransUnion directly through Credit Karma. Well, maybe that disputing is not working anymore, and the algorithm consistently changes that way to where we, as the credit repair agents, we definitely have to do our due diligence and staying on top of what's going on with the credit repair algorithm, okay? So I don't want you guys to lose hope. Maybe there's some knowledge out there that you don't know as of right now that's possibly giving you a hold up in your credit repair do-it-yourself process. Or maybe you are actually paying someone who is actually not working on your credit at all, right? So to help you guys alleviate that entire situation, how I work with my credit repair is that every month you and I will have a one-on-one consultation on what's going on with your credit repair, okay? And that's you and I personally, okay? You looking at me, I'm the one that's looking at your stuff, right? Looking at your reports. Yes, so that means every month you and I will have a consultation one-on-one, okay, about what's going on with your credit repair, what's going on with the process, how much progress we've actually made, and what we have to go move forward. In the entire credit repair process, I'm also teaching you how to build your credit. So you're getting credit repair and you're getting credit building at the same time. I'm telling you exactly the steps that you need to take as with a partner of me. So you're partnering up with me to help and make sure that your credit repair process goes smoothly. So I'm telling you every month exactly what you need to look out for, what I need from you, your participation in this entire repair process, so that way you'll have some responsibility and also you'll have knowledge and you'll know what's going on. I've repaired a lot of people's credit, and honestly, I also unfortunately have had some of my credit repair clients come back because they didn't know how to manage their credit, right? Or they didn't even know how to manage their own money, so I had to tell them different credit hacks and different tricks and different ways to leverage financially on credit. So with my credit repair, you are not only getting these accounts, these negative items, these derogatory items, unfair, unduly items removed completely from your credit report with no coming back, right? And also increase. And then you're also getting credit building, where I'm telling you, hey, by this time, within the next 90 days, within the next 60 days, within the next 30 days, I need you to do X, Y, and Z. So that way we can consistently see your score incline, okay? That's what we want to see. We want to see that score inclining, doing this, not doing this, okay? Also, I want to let you guys know that Even with removing accounts, there is no guarantee that your score is actually going up. A lot of these accounts that you guys or a lot of people have reporting on their credit report, they have credit age with them. And so when you're removing these old closed accounts or these negative accounts that have been there for 5-6 years, well, that has actually helped out your credit age. And the fact that we're removing that account, it can actually deteriorate your credit age, and your credit age makes up of about at least 20% of your credit score. Okay, so I just want to let you guys know, with us removing some of these accounts, and even with you doing it yourself, I'm pretty sure you've experienced it, that it's not a guarantee that your score will go up, which is why it's very important for you guys to get credit building services, so that way you understand how to build your credit, how to leverage on the credit that you already have, and how to gain more credit, and also how to leverage off of that. You need that knowledge so that way you can go about your day and go about your life, and you don't have to use credit repair anymore, man, right? So I want you guys to text me, text credit to 954-303-4688, or visit my website, powermycredit.com, where I have all of these beautiful videos and stuff about what's going on with my business. And that way we can go ahead and get acquainted, book a consultation, use the link down below in the description or up under this post, so that way you can book a one-on-one consultation with me. I mean, the least you can do is see exactly where you are in your credit repair process, whether you're doing it yourself or you're letting another company work on it, or you want me to work on it. At least allow us to pull your credit report and go over everything that needs to happen from this point on. We're in February. We're already in the second month of this year of 2022, okay? So I don't want you guys to waste any more time. Go ahead and text me now, so that way I can go ahead and talk more details about what's going on with your credit, all right? I'll talk to you guys soon. Peace.